Yeah, good afternoon, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here on the online lecture of MHRM. I, Dr. Dheeraj Joval, as a HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my TY Become student participants for the MHRM online lecture. Today, we are going to discuss about the question about the fourth module, the chapter 4, key marketing dimension. Under this key marketing dimension, we are going to deal with the first question: what do you mean by marketing ethics, and what are the unethical practices we have seen under the marketing? Now, let us go for the meaning. The word ethics is derived from the Greek word ethos, which means character or fundamental value. It's a simple, the Greek words we have taken from the Greek words, and the word is a ethos, and which indicate that your character, your fundamental values, your moral or ethical duty. Now let us go for the another information. Ethic is a branch of a philosophy which is a concern with the ethical values and the moral characteristics. Now look at the here. This is one of the essential word for your examination point of view. Ethics is a branch of a philosophy. The philosophy is a keywords which is a concern with the ethical values and the moral characteristics. And what do you mean by about the ethical and the moral characteristics? Now look at the here. There should be the right product with the right price, right information, no cheating or misleading information, a right channel of the promotion. As a ethical, I am a human being, I am dealing with the society. What is the ethical code of conduct for me? I should be the honest, I should be always speak a truth. I should never cheat any customer. These are ethical code of conduct for me at the time of the dealing with the in a society. But what are the business organization? They are selling the product in the market. What are the good for them? What is the ethical for them? These are the ethical characteristics they have to follow. Right product with the right price, right information. There should not be the cheating or misleading information. Even also they have to do the right channel of the promotion, advertising, salesmanship, sales promotion, sponsorship. We can say there should be the whatever the good they have to follow, that comes under the ethical concept. Now we are going to see one by one. Now look at the here. What are the unethical practice of the marketing? Now we have seen the lot of the advertisement on television. Even also we have seen the lot of the marketing of the product which are targeting the children. Basically the junk foods, pizza, then certain kinds of the chocolate, soft drinks. These are the unhealthy, but they have dramatized advertisement and the marketing in a such a manner. Children are attracted towards this such a product, and they are demanded. They are literally they want that product. They can't imagine without these are the product they can't live, etc. Then we can say targeting children is one of the unethical practice of the marketing. Second, dramatize of children. We have seen the certain advertisement on the television, especially on the television. Your Horlicks advertisement, your Bonvita advertisement. Now you can tell me, as per the science definition, the milk is a complete food. The milk is a complete food, but we have seen the advertisement. Without Horlicks, milk cannot complete. Without you can add Bonvita, though your milk is not having that kind of the taste. How you can say that word? As per the scientific definition, as per the science has proved that milk is a complete food, but the advertisement is going to say continuously in that manner. Without Horlicks, your milk is not complete. Without adding the Bonvita, your milk is inferior. Then that is a create the advertisement in such a manner and create the dramatize and non-use of the product of the milk. Therefore, we have to see about the dramatization of the children. Now, third one is a unhealthy product. Now we have seen the soft drink, your ice cream, then pizza, burger. Then I can say that one almost 90% the advertisement we have seen related about the children, about the food. These are all comes under the junk foods which don't have that kind of the, we can say, vitamins and then a nutrition value for the human body. Then predatory pricing. Now look at the some of the company having that kind of the price of the product we can't imagine. iPhone 1 lakh rupees price, more than 1 lakh rupees price. Rolex watches more than billion or million price, etc. The high price they have given that kind of the scenario. The small and the middle business enterprises can't think about that one. Then privacy concern, online data, your WhatsApp, your Facebook information. These are the information you can't give guarantee about. cyber attack. We can't give guarantee about the privacy concern. These are the unethical practices of marketing. Then trademark violation. We have seen the certain kind of the duplicate products available in the market that comes under the trademark violation. Now let us go for the next one, is the data privacy. As I know very well about that one, pirated movies, CDs, duplicate products, these are comes under the data privacy. Now expiry date concern, you know very well about that one. They can do the cheating, they can they can alter the date of the expiry product, and they can change the packaging also, they can modify the date also, even also the old expiry product they can sell with the new expiry date. Then celebrity endorsement, one of the point is also unethical practices. We have seen the lot of the Bollywood actor or actresses, sports person, these are the famous personality, they are having the fan following, they are going to do the endorsement. And the next one we are going to see here, yeah, artificial shortage. You know very well about the black marketing, hoarding of the product. Now the I think so. Ganpati's vacation is over. Now we are going to see about the Navratra. Then we are going to see about the Diwali. The certain product price will be automatically increased on the occasion of the Diwali. We are going to see the price of the sugar automatically increase. The shortage has created. Even also the price of the onion, potato, and the garlic. The suddenly increase. Suddenly decrease. The reason is that about the black marketing, hoarding of the certain product. Now we are going to see under the, these are the 10 points we are going to see under the unethical practices of the marketing. Now we are going to see one by one here. Now look at the here, first one is unethical practices of marketing, targeting to children. Now look at the here, advertising and promotion targeted to the children have an adverse effect on their personality. A famous child specialist, Dr. Alan Warrior, observed that children are more diverted towards the material goods, which is a result of the advertising and promotion of that company used to sell their products and play with the human psyche. Advertising creates materialistic value rather than the spiritual ones. A psychologist who specializes in the materialism study said that the people who are a materialistic are less satisfied and they are not happy with their life. They are often much more into drugs and alcohol than they tend to contribute the least to their communities. I would like to mention here, there are the mention of the two person. One is a child specialist, another is a psychologist. They have given the clear cut idea. We have seen the advertisement more emphasizes on the material value rather than the actual use of the product. Even they are soft target for the children, they have prepared such advertisement, emotional based advertisement. Now we have seen the Kinder Joy advertisement, then a lot of the junk food advertisement, your pizza, your Bonvita. They have mentioned such a kind of dramatized advertisement. Children are demanded such a product, and at the last end, these are the products don't have nutrition value and having the adverse effect on the mental and physical condition of the children. Now we are going to see here, look at the here, this is the best example of your McDonald burger, pizza, soft drinks is here. Now look at the here, our Indian local food, vada pav is also one of the example, junk foods are here. Now look at the here, pizza, and here is your Kinder Joy. I don't know exactly, let us think about the price of this product and the quantity that provided by the product also. It's a, we can say, targeting to children. In a Kinder Joy, they have played such advertisement, dramatized advertisement, even every children want to buy the Kinder Joy. Now look at the dramatize of the children. As I mentioned that one, they have given certain kind of the advertisement, dramatize the children. Yeah, children emotionally attached with the advertisement. Horlicks, Bonvita, inferiority complex of the non-user of the product. If you can say the children to drink the milk without Horlicks and Bonvita, they don't like to drink that milk because with the advertisement they have bombarding such a manner. Without your Bonvita, milk is not complete. Without, you can't add Horlicks, your milk is not complete. You cannot get the tangy taste, you cannot get the chocolate taste. Therefore therefore that create the inferiority complex for the non-user of the product. Now look at the here, advertisement dramatized as a super kids. Now look at the here, who excel in a study and sports. If you want to become a success, if you want to become a sports person, you have to drink Bonvita and Horlicks, etc. Simply because they consume a particular health drink. Quite often, such a health drink do not contribute to the growth of the child. The reality shows that it's not suitable that one. Milk is enough to growth of the children, but these are the advertisement. create and dramatize in such a manner they can give the clear cut idea without Horlicks, without Bonvita, your milk is not complete. Then we can say they have create that kind of the advertisement, dramatize of the children. Now we are going to see the next one is that unhealthy product, your soft drink, ice cream, pizza, burger. We have seen such advertisement, the marketing tactics, and at the last one they don't have that kind of the nutrition value also. Even also we have seen certain kind of the example surrogate advertisement. You are a Vimal Pan Masala, Kingfisher mineral water, then McDonald number one Bisleri. These are the products, but actual brand is about alcoholic drinks, tobacco products are there, gutkhas are there. Then we can say these are the harmful product, but they have taken the help of the surrogate advertisement. Backdoor they can take the entry. Then we can say unhealthy product, your soft drinks, potato chips. These are the unhealthy products, but we have seen the lot of the advertisement and lot of the marketing tactics are here. Now fourth one we are going to see predatory pricing. The best example, iPhone more than 1 lakh rupees, Rolex watches, the high prices here, and the explanation is here. Predator pricing by large multinational company to wipe out the competition also raises the ethical issue in the marketing. Predator pricing adversely affect small and medium firms, especially developing countries like large number of workforce is engaged in a small medium companies, and predatory pricing leads to loss of employment. I would like to give you one of the example. If Reliance is having a Geo, if Reliance is going to decline the price of the Geo connection, obviously those who are the other company they have to decline the price of their products also, their network also. That is called the predatory pricing. I have taken the example of the Geo and vice versa. Then these are the company having that kind of the image, that kind of the we can say that kind of the billionaires of the money for the investment for the advertising purpose. Therefore no one can tackle this kind of the company also. Then these price affect you on the unethical issues. Now privacy concern, online data, WhatsApp, Facebook information, we do not have that kind of a security about the online data, etc. Any time can, anytime anybody can do the cyber attack and steal our private personal information also. There is always fear about that one. Certain companies such as a mobile company, banks, insurance company, and other are criticized for sharing the customer data with other companies without the permission of the customer. Such instances privacy concern. Mark Zuckerberg, will about the famous case about the your Facebook data, and even also if I have an account in a Maharashtra bank, but I have got the call from the other banks also, then who is going to share my account details? So who is going to share my personal mobile number? Then we can say it's related about the privacy concern. Now we are going to see the next one is here trademark violation. The duplicate products are here. Now look at the here duplicate products are here. Trademark and brand name violation are violation throughout the developing worlds. In the developing countries, there is a lack of adequate legal framework to penalize the violators. Multinational laws huge sum of money due to the trademark and brand name violation. Yeah, duplicate products we are going to do under that one. Then trademark violation. Look at the here. I would like to give the some of the example. We must have some across the some of the brand. Now look at the here the duplicate product. Look at the here Lux. The soap is making the same duplicate. They have changed the name only Lux into the Lex. The packing are the same, the duplicate products are there, and they have for the cheating purpose to confuse the people, they have do the some violation. Instead of the Lux they can mention the Lex is here. Bata and Bala, they have manufactured the shoe, chappal, sandal, and they have given the name same color, etc. Instead of the Bata they have given the name Bala. The people are not that kind of the smart enough to read the carefully. They can do this kind of the cheating to influence the people also. Then look at the here Suntex and Syntex. Syntex and Suntex. Parle G, the same pack, the same covering, the same bad quality of the product. Instead of the Parle G, they can give the name Parle C. Even also, I have seen that these are the products are available in the market under the trademark violation also. These are the local brand and they have taken the trademark violation. Now data privacy, pirated movies, CD, etc. You know all about that one. If any movie release in a theater, the next day you can available on your WhatsApp group, your Facebook, etc. On your YouTube video. Data privacy is a major concern in several countries, especially in a developing nation. Data privacy is cost software, music, and then movie companies billions of dollars. Those who are the company They have lost the billions of dollars due to the pirated movie and CD, etc. Now expiry date concern, even also some of the cases we have seen they have expiry date concern. The repacking is there with the new expiry date. At a some time they caught in the local authorities and take a strict not take a strict action also here. Then we can say it is also one of the essential for under the unethical of marketing practices. Now we are going to see the celebrity endorsement. Now look at the here. A Bollywood actor, actresses, sports person are the main are the people those who are the endorse the product which are the unhealthy. Now look at the here. I would like to give the one of the exam misuse of the testimonial. Look at the here. Harpic, the toilet cleaner, the Akshay Kumar is here. Then Amitabh Bachchan, the Navratna oil, lot of the products having the Amitabh Bachchan is having. Then look at the here, the Vimal Pan Masala. That's basically it's a surrogate type of advertising. Ajay Devgan is the brand ambassador. Now look at the here. What is the exactly misuse of the testimonial? Testimonial is a statement given by the popular personality or any other person claiming the superiority of the brand. In fact, many advertiser may pay handsome amount of money to extract the statement from the personality, even though he or she may not be user of the product. And we can say the advertisers are giving a lot of the money to the ambassador, and they are not using the products also. Now look at the example. What are the Bollywood actresses we have seen in the Bollywood? They are the health conscious. Can you imagine that one? If anybody is a health conscious, they are taking the soft drink, your Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up. They are not drinking the soft drink exactly. They have their certain protein shake, etc. But they want to do the advertisement about the soft drink. That comes under the misuse of the testimonial. Then artificial shortage on the occasion of the Diwali, we are going to see that one. The suddenly the price of the sugar increases. On the occasion of the Navratri, we can see that on the suddenly the price of the certain things increases. Even onion, the garlic, the potato, we have seen the regular basis the price ups and down. In a certain time, there's a too much increase, too much decrease also because the reason that is a artificial shortage. The black marketing, holding of the products, some of the marketing firm are criticized for artificial shortage and the cartel activities. The firm may form a cartel to control supply to increase the price. For example, onion price. They are going to do the artificial shortage, the black marketing, holding of the onion. And when the price in the increase in the market, that time they are going to sell that product in the market. Yes, these are the artificial shortage. Now we are going to see the recap of that unethical practices of the marketing. First one is the targeting children. Second one is the dramatize of the children. Third one is unhealthy product. Fourth one is the predatory pricing. The fifth one is the privacy concern. Sixth one is the data mark violation. Seventh one is the data privacy. Eighth one is the expiry date concern. The ninth one is the celebrity endorsement. And tenth one is the artificial shortage. Thank you all of you for your precious listening. Thanks a lot.